In this video, we are going to review the best 5 handheld vacuum available in the current market. After reviewing handheld vacuum and interviewing 50 users, we built this best list for you.
Number 1.
Shark Rocket HV292 Corded Handheld Vacuum. The burgundy-colored Shark Rocket offers you powerful cleaning from start to finish due to its strong 400-watt motor and never-lose suction technology. Shark Rocket includes a flexible, extendable reach 3-foot hose that attaches to the mini TruePet motorized brush to extract pet hair, dirt, dust, sand, and allergens from upholstery, thickly carpeted stairs, and wood or laminated floors.
Number 2.
Dirt Devil Scorpion SD20005 RED Red Corded Hand Vacuum. The bright red Dirt Devil is compact and lightweight at 3 pounds, and its 15-foot power cord gives you good cleaning maneuverability. You will have the suction you need, as the strong 7-amp motor is very capable of sucking up dirt, dust, sand, small pebbles, pet hair, and even kitty litter on any surface. It is very easy to use with a simple on-off power button and a sturdy, comfortable handle.
Number 3.
Bissell 33A1 Corded Pet Hair Eraser Handheld Vacuum. The strong 4-amp motor drives the vacuum's powerful cyclonic cleaning action. The pet eraser comes with 2 nozzles. A specialized rubber nozzle that sucks up pet hair and removes dirt on stairs, upholstery, and bedding. The suction nozzle is perfect for sucking up dry messes like spilled cat litter or dog food on the floor.
Number 4.
Hotor 5E Car Handheld Vacuum. Incredibly versatile, you can use the vacuum to remove dry leaves, crumbs, dust, sand, and small pebbles from the interior of your mini, sedan, truck, minivan, or boat. Maneuvering the vacuum around your car is very easy, as it is ultra-compact and lightweight at 2.43 pounds. The extra-long 16.4-foot power cord with a 12-volt in-car adapter can reach any spot, even in larger vehicles.
Number 5.
Black Plus Decker BDH2000PL Max Handheld Vacuum. The high-performance 35 air watts motor produces powerful cyclonic action. A strong 20-volt lithium battery guarantees long-lasting suction and fade-free power when fully charged. Smart features include an efficient 3-stage filtration system with a pleated filter design that offers superior filtration for cleaner air exhaust. The wide-mouth nozzle scoops up large debris, and its exclusive 200 degrees pivoting design lets you clean anywhere.